by the night market tide, stealing the air tonight. Watch me take that flight. Screens glow under glass, numbers moving fast, quiet on the line, then the bell cuts time. Breathing, locking eyes on the spin when the shadows call. We stand tall. Night market rise, night market rise. Hold the line tonight. We own the night. Night market rise, night market rise. Sharp as a blade of light. We own the night. Charged like city rain, pressure in my veins. Every tick and turn, a lesson learned. Breathing, locking eyes on the spin when the shadows call. We stand tall. Night market rise, night market rise. Hold the line tonight. We own the night.
Going, hello, hello, hello. We got it, guys here. Oh, my chart is not showing up. Sorry for being late, guys. See if I can get this. We had this same problem yesterday. You guys hear me okay? Make sure that my mic is turned up. There we go. We got the chart showing up now. Let's move this down here. There we go. Oh, video capture. All right. I'll get this figured out eventually. I'll get some music going. I was actually listening to the playback, or watching the playback from last night, and I couldn't hear the music very well, so let me know if the music's too loud or it's overtaking me, but got 12 of us on here right now. Good to see you guys. Sorry I'm a little late tonight. Got a late start. I had my men's group. We've been standing going on for a couple years now, and so dinner with those guys. It was a pretty good night. Oh, well, let's take a look at the market and what it has been doing. So I got to get my MOAS counter going here because we have hit a couple of MOAS indicators tonight. Let's get that going. Okay.
Numbers in a row, margin kept light. I cut what I don't need, hold what feels right. If the range gets wild, I don't lose my name. I let the noise pass, then I play the game. No big ego, just a steady plan. I know when to wait.
What's up, Chris P? How we doing? Thrawn, hey guys. Getting this MOAS counter, trying to get this popped up. One of these days I'll get this everything running. I was running a little behind, so I don't have everything the way I want it just yet. Take a look at the market, and then I'll get that MOAS counter going up because we have hit a couple tonight. I just cleared $1,000 on the drive home. So we came back through VWAP, and sorry I didn't post it, guys, but I don't drive and and text, so I just went in with my 150K account and got that bad boy up to 155,530 on that. My initial trade, which you guys knew didn't work out, but I made it up on this trade. I was down like 200 when I cut it earlier tonight. We were talking on the thread. Just driving trade. No, I set the trade in before I started driving. And then I was driving. I was like, oh man, I should have posted this for the guys in the bat trade channel. And I apologize, I didn't do that. But wow, look at that. We had this MOAS signal right here, and it blew right past it all the way up to the Varus band right up here, and then bounced back off. And we're headed down a little bit, but I think we are still bullish tonight. I'd be looking to take another bounce off VWAP right here if we get down here. This yellow line right here is dynamic MHP, which I was hoping would hold us back here. We did hit, or came close. How many? What is that? We were 7.9. One tick. That MOAS was one tick away from getting that TP right there. So the other two for the night so far, we've hit this one right here and demolished this MOAS right here. Completely killed it. So green wave is kind of coming together here, but I think we're still in the bulls. We're still going bull. I made some adjustments to. Can you guys see this a little clearer? The numbers a little clearer. Yeah, I make money while driving too. Yeah, I was like, that was a good $1,000 35-minute drive. So let me know if you guys see this, if it's still fuzzy with the numbers. I made some adjustments today. I was playing around with it. How's my MOAS counter not showing up? Close that. 1080p tonight, looking better. Awesome. I'm glad I got that fixed at least. I see my camera's still a little fuzzy. I got a new camera actually delivered today, but I haven't got it installed yet. So we'll get the camera and you guys see me a little clearer too. Hopefully once I get that installed, we'll have that for
I step in the cab with the grin on my face. Chalk on the left, trigger finger in place. I wear that crown when the candles move. One eye.
Been going back and forth with next gen. Got my payouts, but they said there's this new thing with PayPal where I've got to give my ID and W-9 because I'm getting paid out in PayPal. Something changed or whatever, and so we were I got this email today from Dropbox. It was like, but it wasn't from like next gen, it was from like support at Dropbox, and it mentioned next gen. So I was like, and so I messaged them, and they're like, oh no, this is legit, this is something we need. And so I was like, okay, well, let me upload the stuff. And then the links they were sending me, I was like, there's nothing to upload. I drag it over and it want to upload the folder. And it was like having me sign up for an account and stuff. And I don't use Dropbox, I use other things other than Dropbox, but tried to create an account, still didn't work. And so I was like, golly. So we went back and forth. Luckily, their customer support is awesome on Discord. I mean, they're quick, they get back to me. I was out at dinner, they sent me the correct link, and now I can get my stuff uploaded to be in their good graces for all of my payouts, and so that they can, tax me at the end of the year, put me as a 1099 and make sure I pay my taxes on all my payouts. But if you guys are getting next gen payouts and you're doing PayPal, just expect for them to ask you to upload those documents into Dropbox. And I told them, I was like, hey, this is not really a great way to do this. If we can't, is there not a way to integrate this into like your website so it's more secure, not just a separate third party site that we have to go and upload. This is like your W-9 with your social security number on it. It's got your driver's license is what they're asking for. So, it is what it is, but got to play the game, and that's what I'm taking care of real quick, because they just sent me the correct link. Where are we at on the chart? Getting a little bit of a bounce. A little bit of pullback on that drop. I don't know. I think we're still going to VWAP. No, I'm not in a trade right now. No, I rode that bad boy up all the way to here. You can see my red arrow. So I saw that we weren't going to continue. It was starting to get a little bit weak right up in here. So there's my blue arrow down here where I entered, and red arrow up here where I exited for about $1,000, a little over $1,000. Looking up, where is the order flow indicator that I saw when it was in the ST pack? That's this right here. So, turned it off. Turn it back on. Is that what you're asking? Looking up order flow indicator. So we've got the order flow down here, and that is my lines right there. And then the let's see. So the momentum signal is the green MOAS that you're seeing. That's what the momentum signal is right there. Let's see. Oh, we're on the 1 minute. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Let's see where we're at. Sorry about that. Didn't realize we were on the 1 minute. So yeah, I got down in this power long right here past VWAP. Why are these different? It shouldn't be different. It should be right up here. I know I need to check the Varus bands numbers too in just a minute. Make sure we got the right numbers. Unless one of you guys got the numbers already, I can steal from you. Yes, MOAS is an acronym for Mother of All Signals. I've even got a song for it. We'll play it right after this. I like this stop loss one. We'll play it right after this one. Can't get that indicator going. Not the indicator, sorry, the MOAS counter. I don't know what's going on. Refresh. Knew this OBS. It's kind of acting funky. I'm using OBS to control whatever you guys see on the screen and stuff like that. So. What's up, Rich D? I got some new guys, so 14 people now. So just to give you an overview, yellow line here is dynamic monthly head pressure. We have hit 2 MOAS signals tonight so far. One came within 1 tick right back here after the open. Literally 1 tick off there. So great call. Then the MOAS to the bottom came, but didn't confirm because we don't have any red shots down here. We had some trap shorts. Had a signal here, took that one out, and this MOAS signal tripled up and got huge and blew right past it up to Varus band, interband top right there, and then we're sliding back down. Waiting to get down to VWAP here, and then I will engage. Got more movement than we did last night, which is nice. I cleared a trade on the drive home. Got in before I started driving right here, right at VWAP. Cleared it for $1,000 up here. Oh, I gotta get my P&L up too. Shit. Is there a way to... Oh, there you go. There's I don't know if you guys can see it. It's not updating. Oh yeah. So here's a P&L on my 150 today. So it was 280 earlier today, and then $1,000 on top there. Got a red wave kind of forming right there. Let's go to the 5-minute. Settlement's out at 9:37. So you're a little above the VWAP there. Good.
They have the fancy autos running wild. They think they got us beat.
Wanted to play. Oh yeah. Here's the Moas song.
Screen glow on my face. I stay calm, I wait. No chasing every move. I let the pattern.
There we go.
Smooth trader concept.
Got the P&L updated right there for you guys. So these are my Aqua Future funded accounts. Made a little money on them today. A couple $100. Not too shabby. All right, well, while we're waiting for this to creep down, how you guys doing on the day? You guys getting any trades tonight? Making a little bit of money? Now you guys saw my P&L. I posted it in the that channel. It was a very, very good day. Build, I watch the moment land. One look, then I know whether I take a stand. The chart starts talking, I don't need to guess. When it lines up clean, that's when I do my best. Middle of the day, about 1,300 tonight. Nice. Excellent day, Crispy. Great. Oh, you stuck in that trade when it went? Yeah, it was quite a dip we had here. Quite a pullback. I was not expecting that. I thought we were for sure going to bounce here at 907. And then it closed underneath, and I was like, I'm out. When it closes, whenever we pass through one of these levels and it closes underneath, I'm out. You know, if this candle right here, let's make this a little bit bigger. So this candle right here, if this would have closed above, I would have been in, and I would have thought we would have bounced up here. But I guess this was right as Tokyo was coming online. Tokyo came online, and they're like, we're not going up, we going down. They took us all the way down here until we bounced. We didn't even make it all the way down to the bottom of the Varus before it came back up. So. But as you can see, we are still green bullish. This is a bullish night. And I'm looking for to get into the long. We'll be getting in a long here very shortly. I can feel it. Heck yeah, 150 on your funded to get it 5 days, ready for payout. Nice. Chris P, 900 times 3 fundeds, 2 evals, 1K times 3 evals, 400 in options. Bam! Chris killed it. Heck yeah. think ES has some highs today. Maybe that's part of the pullback. We're hitting the highs. Where are we going? Got some fair value gaps we left up here. Target up here. ES has the same target up here. Might come and grab these. Hello, amigo. Some algo action hit too. 550 times 7 fundas. Whoa. That's some change right there. About $4 grand on across the fundeds. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Acorn H, you're up long on a paper right up to 44. Up to here. Where'd you go in? Where's your entry? Hope your entry's way down here. 830-ish. Got a lot of buying pressure right here. This is good. This is good. May not make it back to VWAP. Oh, did we get a little blurry? Or is it just my iPad? Might be just my iPad, hopefully. You just got in for 44. All right, let's go. Try this on here. All right. So, about all the fair value gaps. Is it going to pull back down to VWAP or push on through the liquidity up above? ES has got this same gap down here, equally low. I'm gonna give it just a minute. We got 24 people with us now. Awesome. Are you guys seeing me clearly, or is it blurry? It's blurry on my iPad. I don't know if it's just my iPad or if it's the stream. Let's see if I can get it. Don't want to be blurry for you guys. I'm good? Sweet. All right. Just my iPad then. All right, up to 26 viewers right now. Hey guys, welcome to the show. Sitting here waiting to get into a long. I was holding to get down to VWAP, but it looks like it might leave without me. Headed up to get this liquidity up here in this fair value gap. Just wicked it right there, but looks like it's headed that way. We are bullish across all time frames here. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Oh, you got a bullish indicator. I might have missed my entry. Look at the 15 minute here. It's wicking on the 15 minute. Trying to make a decision which way it wants to go. ES is driving into its fair value gap right now, and it tops out on the ES 76.45. It's a 76.43. It's definitely going to wipe that out, so that might pull NQ up as well. Order flow is good and strong to the upside. I'll make this a little smaller. Look at that. It is bullish. And see how CL is oil is doing tonight. Looks like oil's on a slow grind up. That could push us further down. Don't like that. It's the beginning of the week. We got a long way to go. Everybody have a good Monday out there. Good start to the week. Had a busy day myself. Working away. Trying to take a few trades in between my work day. You had no trades yesterday, trending markets. You hate trending markets. I mean, yesterday was just last night. No, we only had Sunday open. What are you talking about today? This New York session today. We're looking at this. Take a look at Oh yeah, now I remember. Oh, this morning, yeah. So, last night we had that huge gap from the open on Sunday. Didn't get taken last night, but they came for it this morning. I had meetings this morning, so I wasn't even able to watch the market. I came in right as I saw it was coming down, and I jumped in on this and a little bit of this, and made some good change today. But yeah, it rocketed up, and look where we are from there. So the low this morning is about, what is that, 312. See, this MOAS did really well here, killed that. Got TP there. So we started at 28,314, got all the way up here, a little over 29 change. Pretty strong day. But this is right here, this is if somebody got in here and rode it all the way up, that is called the retirement trade. Outer to outer Varus bands here. And that would have been money. I did get a question in Discord about these Varus bands, and we ended New York session at the top of the Varus band, and so they're like, hey, are we starting at the top of the Varus band? And I was like, no. So the Varus band follows risk indicators through Rocket Scooter's risk indicators that they have, and resets with the VWAP. So that's where you can see this line right here. So it just jumped up with the VWAP jumped in line with the close of the New York session, and that's where we started out, and so thus pushed up our Varus bands to these levels here. So if that makes any sense, and I need to check those levels unless somebody put it in the chat. Acorn H, yeah, New York, yeah. See these levels. It's gonna kick me out of so I'm running AMP on my trading view right now. It'll kick me out of I have to re-log in just a second. Yeah, I know. Alright. I think it's the same. I think it's our... Yep, 264.50. Yep. So we're good. No changes. I like to see people using VWAP and different averages. It's rare to see nowadays with all this ICT talk and other ways of trading. Yeah, there are thousands of indicators out there. There are many algos and indicators. I mean, you could just look at the list, just like an Ninja Trader, or even in TradingView. I mean, there's trending, top, editor's picks. The list goes on and on and on. So the trick is just in trading, and like I found, is to find your edge. Find what works for you, what you're comfortable with, and what works for you, you know. And the thing is to stay consistent, because if you're jumping from indicator to indicator, you're not really giving it a chance. And so I've been using these indicators for a few months now. I've been following Smooth Trader, which this is the channel. This is Smooth Trader's channel. I am the night trader, and I have taken over the Asia session for Lou, Smooth Trader, and he still runs New York session. And so if you guys are up in the mornings, he does the New York Open and runs all day. So definitely check him out. He's using the same Smooth Trader indicator that you see on my screen here. Actually, I got it from him. So that's, you know, I liked it so much that I wanted to be part of the Smooth Trader community. And you know, I got into the Asian session trading on a trip to Vietnam, and after, you know, trading it for, you know, a few weeks and watching Smooth and stuff, I was like, you know what he's missing? He's missing a night shift. And so I reached out and I was like, hey, what if I was your night shift? And he's like, let's do it. And so we partnered up, and now we're he's doing the mornings, I'm doing the evenings, and Smooth's on vacation this week, but I think he's been trying to connect for just a little bit while he's on vacation in the mornings, and do a little bit of trading with you guys. But he comes back Thursday, so I think he'll be full force Friday morning for sure. So check him out on this channel. Just to subscribe. I didn't say anything about subscribing yesterday. It was the first stream, and so I probably missed a bunch of things, but definitely subscribe. If you're interested in this indicator, this Smooth Trader indicator, there should be links in the stream elements where you can definitely purchase this. Is about $7 a day, and I think it's worth it. It's a great indicator, but I partner this, or I use this indicator with the Varus band that uses Rocket Scooter risk indicators, and I use the levels from Rocket Scooter 2. That's what you see here. Is this is the dynamic monthly head pressure. Most of the tools that the Rocket Scooter has doesn't work for the Asia session. Just a couple key levels that we get. So I think these work well together, where we get some just really good targets that kind of line up, especially with this Varus band. I mean, you know, the top of the Varus band is kind of lined up with this MOAS signal right here. It's lined up with the hedge pressure, you know, the to profit right here. So it's just like a double check for me, you know. It just like gives me that extra confidence to take that trade. See, we're bouncing off this fair value gap here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. See where we're at right now. Agree 100%. People talk down on other people's way of trading, but if it works for you, then hell yeah. That's what I'm saying, dude. Whatever works for you. Because everybody trades differently. Nobody is the same. And there's not one indicator or algo or AI that is 100% right all the time. There's nothing that is 100% win rate. This doesn't exist. The only way that you can get 100% win rate is if you have built a time machine and you can go back in time and know what the market is doing and make your bets then. You got to do a little Marty McFly, you know. Yeah, Smooth indicator, it is a hidden gem for sure. I mean, that's another reason I wanted to partner with them, is to get the word out, right? So my whole thing is, like, people have helped me. I've been trading for 2 years now, and people have been helping me along the way, training me. I've been learning from Smooth Trader and some of the Rocket Scooter guys and other people in the community. because it's too hard to figure out on your own, right? But it takes time, and finding what works for you, what you're comfortable with, and what you can understand in the market just gives you that edge, and that's what we need in this. We need an edge. It's not gambling. It's not guessing. We're taking the knowledge that we have in the market, and with the indicators we have, and how they work within our trading. Like button smashed. Heck yeah, we're up 13 likes. Yeah, keep it going, guys. The bigger we get, the more people we can attract, and then we can probably start handing out some free accounts. That's the long-term goal. We got to get a little bigger, get the attention of these prop firms, so they're like, ooh, look what's happening over here. And we'll do that when we get a little winning too. Kind of just stuck here. Doesn't want to hit those. We're just kind of bouncing in between these fair value gaps here. Interesting spot to be landed in. Volume going down. Let's see. See, I get on the stream and we go in sideways again, just like last night. Started off sideways. Hope I'm not a curse to get this thing and make it go sideways every time I turn on the stream. Hey, Gordon, my preference is the 5-minute chart. That's just what I'm comfortable with. I've dabbled in the 1-minute chart, very little in the 3-minute chart, but the 5-minute chart moves at the speed that I like to trade at. Well, I'll use the 1 minute and the 15-minute as just references, just to see what's going on. I mean, I think the 15-minute gives us a good indication of where we're going, and so it's bullish. I mean, we are grinding up. We are going to take out this fair value gap at some point. I don't know if we're going to dip first down here, or if we're going to get it and come back down to VWAP. But at some point, these two are going to be taken out for sure. Hey, VP Warrior. Giveaways? No, not yet. This is a new stream. We just started yesterday. Yesterday was the inaugural stream. So we're starting to build our following, and once we grow a little bit and get some attention to the prop firms, yeah, we'll be definitely doing some giveaways. And this is a channel for the traders. We're here to learn and make some money and have some fun, listen to some good music, and just hang out, Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. It's good to have I've had a lot of support with the guys in our Discord, guys and girls. Sorry, don't want to leave out the girls. Financial Map, I know you're out here. Or you were here earlier. 42 watching right now. Oh, we're growing. Hey, everybody. Welcome, barely joined. I am the Night Trader. If you're just joining now, you missed a killer intro video, as the people will tell you. But come back for more. We'll be here all week. We'll start the Globex Open tomorrow, 6 p.m. Eastern. And I am the Night Trader on Smooth Trader's channel. And Smooth Trader and I are partnered up. He does the New York session. I do the Asia session. So how do I come up with my Verizon levels? My Verizon levels are from Rocket Scooter Risk Indicator. And I think you can still get the... Yep. So you can still get the various zones here in TradingView alone. I am liquidity. This guy, his name's Kyle. He created this using the Rocket Scooter levels. I know it's going to be a paid feature going forward, but I think you can get it free right now. But then I think the yearly is like, I think it's like $99 a year or something like that annually, if I remember right. Sometimes I find it hard to trade Asia. Sometimes I lose my patience. Yeah. The thing about the Asia session is it takes patience. As we saw last night, it took us 2 hours to get into a trade, and then it took an hour for that trade to materialize and hit our TP. And but that's the one thing I like about the Asia session, because it just goes a little bit slower, less manipulation. New York market is complete manipulation. Sometimes it makes no sense at all. And so I do trade New York session, but I prefer trading in the Asia session. I give my partner the hard job. What, the New York session? No, Smooth started this channel. Smooth created this indicator, and this is his channel. I'm the new guy. I'm the new guy to the channel, and just running the night shift. So, is it easier? I don't know if it's easier on the night shift. It's just slower. So we have more time to get into a trade, more time sitting in the trade, and not as much scalping. New York session, you can, 40 point scalp goes quick. I mean, you could be in and out in 10 seconds. Here it might take 40 minutes. Hey, Dietrich. So I've been trading a little over 2 years now, and I'm starting to get really successful with it. Getting weekly payouts, and I've just been reading the markets really well. Been in a Discord with a group, and we've been hosting some live streams there every once in a while, and everybody wanted me to do this more often, and so we talked about doing a stream. We've been working on this stream for a little over 2 months, and we finally kicked it off for the inaugural stream last night. So, and we are just here stuck in between these two fair value gaps, going sideways. Ooh, got a little bit of strong push down there. We going down to VWAP. We get down to VWAP, I am getting in a long for sure. Yes, we're trading futures. This is a futures trading. We are trading Nasdaq NQ. As we get into this, we'll probably bring the ES in here as well and trade some of that. Just now starting to break. Detri said, I'm just now starting to break even after 1.5 years. It's been an uphill battle. I agree. Yeah, I was and initially about 6 months in, I got I'll call it lucky. And I started with this algo company. I'm not going to name names, but we had a good few months, and I was winning, and I got some payouts from Apex. Believe it or not, not a big fan of them, but got a few payouts, and then it just sort of went downhill, and I was losing money and not winning. I only trade prop firms. I don't trade cash very often. I have a cash account that I will trade, and I will trade on here as I get more comfortable with the stream. But it was January of this year to when I was getting consistent payouts. So it took me a good year and a half, just like you, until I was, back at break even, making money, and not making enough to be my full-time job yet, but we're working to it. We're working on it. See those the P&L? Yeah. yeah. It's been a good couple weeks. That's for sure. Yeah. I was hitting some good numbers when I was in Vietnam. Oh man, it was when you got the Asia session during your daytime, makes it a lot easier. That's for sure. You're just now starting to see some success in your own trading strategy, still on paper, but hoping some confidence and I'll try to pass an evaluation. Nice, yeah. Well, we've got, talking about evals, got discounts. It's my link for Prop Square, so get you guys some discounts on some prop firms. Posted it last night. We're still working on getting all the links and everything lined up well for you guys. Make it easy for you to access everything we need.
I've seen tough guys sweat in silence. I've seen bold ones blink and fold. But you flash that clean little bend, and I'm bought before I'm sold. If this is foolish, let it be. I'll blame your pretty geometry. You point, I move, I
Oh yeah, look it up. Just posted in Discord. Yeah, right now, my funded futures. If you have not used this code yet to get right now until August 14th, my funded futures is 50% off any size rapid builder or pro plan, but it's only up to 2 uses per customer. So if you've already used the discount twice for the 50% off, then I think he said you're getting 40%, 20 to 40% off depending on the type right now. But if you have not used the 50% off, my funded futures, great prop firm, quick payouts, top rated prop firm out there. So use code Night Trader. You see the code coming across the screen at the top there, and you can get 50% off any rapid builder or pro plan with my funded futures. Let's see, let me throw the
Woke up in the cold sweat again. Dreams of green numbers and losing my friend.
pop this in the YouTube.
Margin call loud and clear. Blew it all up, no fear. My account zero, a financial anti-hero.
All right, I just put the link for the prop firm matrix. While we're waiting for this to get down to VWAP, pull up on this screen too.
A digital scene. Start again from scratch and dust. Gotta rebuild, gotta trust.
Come on. Let that load up for a second.
They say learn from mistakes. Minds are giant earthquakes. One wrong move, a click the trade. My whole damn
Don't know why that
world
site's not-
unmade. Another day, another dollar.
Huh?
Just gotta holla. Paper trail, a ghost in the machine.
But we've got, there we go. Prop firm matrix. So I put that link in the chat here. I've got discounts with Trade Day, my funded futures, next gen. Love next gen. That's what we were talking about that earlier. About I've got some payouts I got payouts from them on Friday, $3,000 from them on Friday. Aqua Futures. With Aqua Futures, it's aquafutures.io, not .com. But you can get the link right down here at the bottom for all of these. And then Legends is running some great discounts right now. Do not ever pay full price for a prop account. Somebody is always running a discount, always. And if you jump in these discords, when you're part of the prop firms, you'll get notified of the discounts super fast. I will post them when they come available, when I get emails and notifications too, and I try to let our followers and everybody know when that comes on. But yeah, if you're paper trading right now and you want to get a cheap eval or my funded futures and try to build that up, I mean, we can get there's some really good discounts right now. But here's the discount code at the bottom. If you have passed a next gen account, I can get you 50% off activation with Night Trader 50. So it's Night Trader with a 50 behind it, and you get 50% off that activation. We're still running 80% off on next gen accounts right now, which is a great deal. Go back to the chart over here. Where we at? We are still stuck here. Thanks, Acorn. Have a good night, brother. Have you seen the way creators are responding to people with some AI generated response to people in their comments? I don't know. I haven't seen that. Sure, there's not bots responding. Hey, Detroit. Oh, Detroit. Ah, that's what your name is. Detroit 94. That's what you're spelling out there. I was like, what is that? I get it now. Right, Detroit. Huh? I use the Rocket Scooter levels with the Smooth Trader indicator. Yes. We're looking for Lou? Yeah, Lou's on vacation. I'm the Night Trader. I'm Ryan. Hanging out here. We just started this stream. Last night was the inaugural Asia session stream, and Lou is still doing New York session, so definitely come back and check him out. When he gets back, he's on vacation right now. He's been streaming a little bit from vacation, just not too much, but a little bit, and he is back Thursday full time. Oh man, it's coming down. Those just joined. We're waiting to get in the long here. We're just bouncing between these two fair value gaps. Extend this out because we might be in here for a minute. As we know, in the Asia session, things move a little bit slower. 32. Yeah, close enough. 31 and a half. And waiting for it to pull back to VWAP, and then I'm gonna long it back up into this fair value gap here. That's the goal. Just waiting for my trade to come. So make sure you guys are live on the chat so you're not behind. It'd be nice if YouTube just like automatically kept it live, wouldn't it? Instead of just like you lose connection for just a minute and then it's not live anymore, and you're like, what's going on? He's not, his chart's not lined up with my chart. What's going on here? Cool Brand, thank you. Like it, yeah, man. Hit the likes, guys. We need to get this stream going. I'm trying to get Smooth Traders indicator out to just a different market. There's different people on the night shift than there is on the day shift, so trying to get this out there. Go over. We got some new people that joined us here. We have hit. Where's the other one? Let's go to 1 minute here. We've hit 3 TPs today on the night session. One back here about 9:30, 9:42. Blew right past this on this bounce up. Tokyo came on and dumped us on down here, but buyers came in and pushed us before we hit this bottom bearish band. Came up, hit the top of the bearish band, inner band right here, and started slowly coming down. Oh, it looks like we are back to VWAP. I was explaining all that. Getting close. Wicked it. Oh, no, 105 here. Go a little conservative with that right there, in case we try to get pushed all the way down. But I'm gonna put my buy limit right here at the bottom of this gap. Sorry, we didn't fill that there, did we? We didn't wick into that. Jeez. Hope I didn't miss that. Anybody else in a trade right now? Yeah, Detroit. Yeah, we will start opening up with Globex. I had a thing going on tonight. I couldn't start with Globex tonight, but that is going to be for the future. We are going to be 932. No, we have not hit that. Oh, we got another fair value up. Before I'm down at 850. I don't think we're going to 850. Are we?
To hold too long, watch it fade away. Now I cut the greed, let the target pay.
Discount code for my funded futures is Night Trader. You can see across the top there, all my affiliate codes is Night Trader. 2 T's, Night Trader. and they've got 50% off my funded futures right now. If you have not used the 50% off, it's good through August 14th to get 2 uses of the 50% off. If not, it's anywhere from 20 to 40% off right now with the other deal we got going on, if you've already used the 50%. Yeah, Mighty SoCal, welcome. Yep, we stream every night, Sunday through Thursday, Fridays off. Start with the Globex Open, 6 p.m. Eastern. Running a little late tonight, usually close off at about 10 o'clock, but I had a late start, so I'm gonna hang with you guys for a little bit longer and see if we can get in this trade and get along off the VWAP here. Might leave without me. I might need to move this up. Hard to see that wick there. Looking to get in, looking along up here. Well, 1 minute is gone bearish. Let's look over the 1 minute. Yeah. I wicked. It did. Wick down there to my entry. Not in yet. Hey Detroit, yeah, I'm here in the States, and the lovely state of Tennessee, just outside Nashville. I don't have an accent. Some people say I have an accent. I was in Vietnam, people thought I was Australian. I was like, I don't sound Australian at all, I don't think. Just waiting for the market call. My eyes, they burn. Just got a new sub. Good luck. Thank you, Almighty SoCal. Welcome. Appreciate it. Welcome to everybody to this new channel. We just started Sunday night, new stream. I am the Night Trader. Definitely come a little early before the Globex Open, and we'll get started a little before the Globex Open. Just hanging out, listening to good music, trying to get into some trades. We're using the Smooth Trader Indicator, which you can get to, should be in the stream links, where you can access this indicator, $7 a day. Been doing pretty good tonight. Waiting to get back up. Got the indicator up here. We've hit 1, 2, 3. Can we hit that one? We're in the 5 minute. That was the 1 minute. Oh, back here. Sorry. Yep. So there was. Yep. Wicked this by, it was off by 1 point on this MOAS. MOAS is mother of all signals, and pretty consistent wins there. Tokyo came on, dropped us down here. Buyers weren't having it, brought us back up, hit 1, 2, and looking to hit this one up here. Looks like we were bouncing, and I missed it. This is not my music. Bigger. see where this candle lands, and then I might jump into this long. I want to come get this fair value gap up here. We wicked out of this one. This one's done. Wicks came all the way down here. Cleared that out. You're a tick lower than me. You got filled? Damn. I don't know how I didn't get filled there. Here's in Kentucky last week. See your old man from Bowling Green. Yeah, it's not too far from here. Been to Bowling Green a couple times. Almighty SoCal. So you're a SoCal boy? Is that the same? Ah, financial map. You got filled too? Dang it, you guys. Why didn't I get filled? All right, we're going in. I'll put this back down to VWAP. We're in the trade. Got 3 MNQ. Let's see if we can pull out. I already got $1,000 on this account earlier tonight. You can see my fill here. Filled right before VWAP here and took it all the way to the Intervaris band up here for a cool $1,000. GDP Smith 29,300. Oh, is that your target? 29,300? $29,300. Wow, you're way up here past the outer Varus band. I don't know if we're gonna get there tonight. I could see us for sure taking this fair value gap up, maybe pushing to Intervaris again. I don't know. Maybe the buyers come in. Stop loss I have is right back at VWAP here. Playing it a little conservative. I don't want to give away all the money I made tonight, but I think this is a good, I think we got the pressure, we got the order flow pushing our way. Buyers coming in. Heading on up. Going up. TP, looking at the TP here is 29,026 at the top of this fair value gap that we've got that got left behind here. I don't chase fights, I don't grab the flame. I wait my turn and I play the game. One slow breath before the move. Patience. Does 15-minute have any hard targets? Let's take a look. I'm still calm when it's begun. No quick hands. Nope, I had the last hard target we had was here, and it got tagged in 2 o'clock today. So let's take a look at the 1 minute. 1 minute, we've just got the power along here. We still have the MOAS from back here to get filled. And so that is right above the fair value gap at 29,031. So another indication that we are going to tag this out. Hopefully. Hopefully. Let's make some money tonight. 2 nights in a row on the stream. That'd be awesome. Just one MQ has worked out. Yeah, I mean, I'm playing 3 on this because I've got a 150K account down here, and so I've got the, you know, I feel a little more. Got to make a little bit more. push it a little bit harder, but I generally like to stay within 1 to 3, depending on how risk adverse I want to be at the time. But feeling good with this trade. Can't make too much on this counter. I made 1,000. I made we're up 1,400. I better check my consistency on this funded account. That's a good thing you guys need to know if you're new to prop firms. Most prop firms have consistency, especially in funded accounts. And it's just a way for them to control how much money you make. And what I really think they're doing is that they're making you play longer, right? It's just like the casino. The longer you play, the bigger chance that you're going to lose. So when they limit how much money you can make, then it makes you play a little bit longer. Oh no, we're good. We're good. We can make 2K tonight. So I might move this up. That's just 384, but yeah, it's good. We'll move it up to the top of the MOAS single here. Hard target 29031. See if we can get there.
I step in the cab with the grin on my face. Chalk on the left, trigger finger in place. I wear that crown when the candles move. One eye on wrist, one eye on the groove. Margin on deck, but my nerves stay still. I cut clean entries.
Hey Detroit, do I copy trade? Yes, I do copy trade. I'm not copy trading right now. Next Gen offers a copy trader for their accounts. You can only this is a Next Gen funded account we're trading right now. And you can have 3 funded accounts at any given time, but you can have unlimited past eval accounts in your account. So they were running some free resets the last couple weeks, and so I know a couple of us in the stream here were blasting up and getting some of those free resets and just stocking up on banking some accounts. So I've got several accounts banked. I've got a 150K I got on the free resets last week that I banked, ready to be upgraded. 2 50Ks and a 25K just sitting there in the bank, and they never expire yet. They haven't changed that rule, but currently here in a long for the new guys that have joined us. Be sure to hit the like button on your way in. We are trading with the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator. We've got a target up here to 29031-ish. Right up in here. Got 3 MNQ on here. Let's see if we can get up there, and got some bullish indicators. We're moving in that direction. Bounced right here off the VWAP, headed back up. Yeah, free resets, YOLO. That's right. It was the 150K counts. You had to hit 9,000, and that was fun. Ooh, new target coming in. New target, red alert. Materializing. Is it going to stay? Is this going to solidify? It's growing. It's coming. I like it to get bullish all night. Let's see if we can get to the top of the Varus bands. That would be awesome if we get right up here. What stop loss do I have? You can see the stop loss right down here. It is right at VWAP. If it decides to come back on us, about 169. Conservative trade. Made some good bank on a trade earlier, $1,000 on this account, and so I don't want to give it all away, but I'm willing to risk that much. The red alert up here. Are you talking about the line or the MOAS red alert up here?
concepts, draws a line so clear when the crowd gets loud.
I think you mean this up here. So there's a couple indicators with the smooth, a couple things that you see when you have the smooth trader. Oh man, we're pumping. Let's go. Pump it up. Let's go. Smooth trader indicator, we've got, so this will be a trapped long. So it's saying it's going up, trapped longs, and we're going back down. Then PL stands for power long. And these triangles are the opposite of trapped long. They are trapped shorts. So that means we are going up. Power short pushes it down. And then just as the MOAS signals can be positive, they can be negative as well. So this is a short indicator, but it never materialized. You see, we don't have anything down here. We don't have any targets. But we've got, oh, look at this. This is growing. Yeah, baby. I'll move it up right underneath there. So I've moved my to profit to 29,040. Whatever it was I was talking about. All right, cool. So when these materialize, of course, we've got our target, but we've also got a stop loss. So this is a good indicator if you wanted to put your stop loss, target here. That's what the indicator's telling you is, put your stop loss here. I'm going to keep mine, though, at VWAP, just where I'm comfortable. Let's just get into free trade now. Free trade. Iron Pigeon, Varus. Yep. We've got some soft targets. If you can see these green dotted lines up here, these are some soft targets, potentials that we could get up to. But this solid green right here is hard target. That's what I'm targeting right there. That's going to put me 1,600. Yeah, I got to make sure I stay under 2,000 here on this count. This should give my consistency right here if we can get this. Probably got to put it a little lower, actually. I don't want to be over 16. I'll put it at 400 just to make sure on consistency, because, you can run over your consistency. It's going to delay your payouts. So I like to stay right on the line. Make sure I don't get any delays with my payouts, because I like getting payouts. Maybe just a full port. if that's what you think. If it was a free reset on this account, I'd full port for sure. I'd full port with 17 minis on a 150K. We're getting a little pushback on this fair value gap, and we got that earlier today too. It bounced up here, came down, bounced up, came down. If we can't push this through this fair value gap, might take
take that, because I see what the
I'm gonna give that some room just in case. We're gonna take this out, and I want to be a part of it. So I'm gonna move that stop loss back down to VWAP. You can see VWAP's moving up now because it was 168. Now back at VWAP, I'm just down 150. Oh, looks like we got some new guys joining us. Welcome everybody. Up to 93 viewers now. Hey, welcome everybody. I am the Night Trader. I'm the night session for the Smooth Trader channel. You can catch Lou and the Smooth Trader in the mornings. He starts the New York Open. I'm gonna be running the Asia session. We'll start most nights. We're gonna start with the Globex Open, but we'll start a little early to kind of review what happened in the New York session before the bell clocks and markets get fired up again. So be sure to join us and subscribe. Join us, subscribe, and be sure to hit that like button too. Let us know you're here. As you come in the door, hit the like button. The bigger we get, we can start doing some giveaways and just have a little fun. That's what we're here to do. Have some fun, listen to some good music, make some trades, hopefully make some money. If you just joined, we're in a trade right now. Was looking to get in on the Verispan bounce. Had a buy limit order down here that for some reason didn't get filled, so I jumped in a little late on it. So we are in at 966-ish, looking for it to fill this fair value gap right here and hit this target first, and then the secondary target for the long came up right here at 29042. And you might be asking, why is the profit not here? This is my consistency level on we're trading a 150 next gen funded account right now, and that is my consistency target. So we need to get up there, and we are filled for the day. Had a good $1,000 win earlier on this bounce up. Where was that? Oh, it's back here. VWAP to enter Verispan up at the top here. We had 3 strong indicators. It blew right through this TP. That was a great win. Enjoyed that. It was earlier today. So we're out. Thanks for the trade. All right, looking up. Talk to you later, man. South Texas, welcome. Welcome everybody. We're gonna do a lot here. We're gonna hope you like the soundtrack. These some songs I created on Suno. Just a little background music while we're trading. So Cal, do you think this bullish market continues tomorrow in New York session with more earnings coming out? Honestly, I think so tomorrow we have let's see, what is it? SpaceX and is it AMD? Is it? I have to look it up. I can't remember. I know SpaceX for sure. So I don't know if we're going to be bullish or we're going to just go sideways and the market's just going to be kind of dead tomorrow, waiting for those earnings to come out. SpaceX is going to be interesting, so we'll definitely be talking about that tomorrow night, and we'll be looking at how that interacts with the close and what we're going to be doing with trading tomorrow night for sure. Coming down to my entry here. Got a little bit of pullback. Come on, buyers, step back in. I still feel good about it. I'm still in. Might pull down to 950s. Might get a pull back to the 950s. Yeah, anytime. Yeah. Anybody got any questions? Anything? We're here. I've been trading for about 2 years now, and been getting pretty successful with this. So I reached out to Smooth Trader and said, "Hey, I think you're missing the night session. So what if I ran it for you?" And he's like, "All right." And so we've been working on this stream for about 2 months, and just got started Sunday night for the first time. And rocking and rolling. Had a big win on our Sunday night inaugural trade. And a lot of you guys followed along, and I know there's some wins on your side too. So, hey, Sinister Scalper, Bearish Indicator. It's the Bearish Indicator that you can find here on TradingView. The Bearish Zones by I Am the Liquidity, and my levels are right there. What's up, X Trader? Thank you, Almighty SoCal, man. Yeah, I'm loving it. This is fun. I love being here with you guys, and think we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna win some, we're gonna lose some, but we're gonna have fun while we do it. That's the whole thing. If trading is stressful, then it's not for you. That's my opinion. The best advice I got is trading should be boring, really, but I couldn't go with boring, so I like to make it fun instead. So we've got some good music, we got some good people on the chat, and we're just here together seeing if we can eke out some wins and take a little bit from the market makers, just take our fair share, and that's what I'm here for. Am I full-time? I wish I was a full-time trader. No, I am not a full-time. I have a day job right now, but I'm working towards it. That's my goal, is to be a full-time trader, so I can be with you guys here on do a couple hours on the night shift, and spend more time with my family. I mean, that's what we all want, right? Spend more time with the family. So I've just got a 5-year-old. Tomorrow is his 5th birthday. And so we got big things planned for tomorrow. Had a big birthday party for him Sunday, because with little kids you can't have birthdays during the middle of the week. Nobody will show up. Everybody else has got to work. So we did a Lego bowling party Sunday afternoon, whole family, and had 27 of his friends. So good turnout. It was good. We had fun. He had a lot of fun. Thanks, Sinister Scalpel. Vamos Trade. Thanks for joining. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate it. How much money have I earned already for the 2 years I've been trading? I've made back my initial investment. I started trading with an algorithm company. That was a little hefty cost, plus all the cost for my VPS and indicators and other stuff. But I broke even in January this year. So, and then I've been getting payouts. I'm getting weekly payouts now with Next Gen, My Funded Futures, a couple other ones. I want to close this down. I think you guys got the levels now. All right, bouncing back up. The green wave's getting a little bit bigger. See if we can get our TP here tonight before it gets too late. Do have a day job, so I can't stay on here all night. Stay just a little bit longer with you guys. See if this trade materializes. Be happy with your single monthly. That's how I was. Oh man, I was praying for that. I was like, I just want one. If I can just get one payout, that would be amazing. And but I mean, it's finding your edge in the market, and I think I found my edge. You know, I don't revenge trade. I don't risk a lot, as you can see with this trade. I made good money on this account earlier today, so I don't want to risk it all just on this fair value gap here, which I'm confident we're going to hit that fair value gap, but I'm not going to risk it all for it. This whole game is risk management. That's how you win. The other thing is compounding. So somebody asked earlier, do I copy trade? Yes, I copy trade, but I do not copy trade all of my accounts at the same time. I do them in groups. So I'll copy trade 3 or 4 accounts at the same time. I learned long ago, when early in my trading days, when I was like, hey, if I have 20 accounts and I copy all of them, then if one wins, they all win. Well, the opposite is true too. If you lose, then they all lose, and you got to start all over again. So it's risk management, and I use Replicanto for my trade copying on NinjaTrader, and it's been a great program. I highly recommend it if you're on NinjaTrader. I know, like, a couple of people in the Discord I'm in were having problems with TradeSinger, and I think it blew some people's accounts today because just out of sync or whatever. I've never had that problem with Replicanto, and it's just a one-time cost as well instead of a monthly cost, which is a pretty good deal. Minis are the devil. Yes. If you want a good way to blow an account, trade minis. That's my philosophy. I'm running 3 MNQ right here. Be careful what you wish for. With full time, the stress levels can get pretty heavy. Yeah. I don't let trading stress me out. I like to have fun with it. I just taking it easy. You know, we're in a nice trade. I've got a couple indicators that are telling me this is a good trade. We've got some levels we need to hit. This fair value gap. Pretty confident we're going to take that out here shortly. We've got the smooth trader targets up here too. See if we still got, yep. So smooth trader on the 1 minute chart, we're targeting up here at 29.042. And the new people that joined us probably wondering, why does he not have his TP all the way up there? I am trading a 150K next gen account right now, and this is my consistency target for the day. I'm already at a little over 1,500, and then 2,000 is my consistency. So that is the target for this funded account. Just started a new day job today. Trading full time made me depressed. Yeah. Well, I don't do it full. I mean, I'm not doing it full time right now. I've got a day job and I'm trading at night. Sometimes I will trade on the. There we go. Yeah, this is still going. I do trade on the New York market as well, but just here and there. I can't watch it all day because I've got a day job. So. me share various settings one more time. Yeah, I can show the various settings. I'm gonna take a quick break in the restroom break. I'll be right back, guys. We didn't hit our target yet. What is going on? Come on. One and Q, do some push-ups. Push it up there. If we hit this fair value gap and come back down again, I might close this out. We're getting some pressure up there. All right, Detroit. All right, yeah, 5 a.m. does come early. Yeah, I got a 6 a.m. wake up call, so I'm only gonna be here a few more minutes. But yeah, we'll see you tomorrow night. TX Boogie, type of work. I'm a consultant for my day job. I do ERP implementations, if you know what that is. If you're familiar with companies like SAP and Oracle, that's similar to that. I do like coding and development work and stuff like that. Get a little slow song as we're slowly grinding through this long here. And healthcare, yeah, nice. ERP, I'm sorry for you. Oh man, I think it's great. I started ERP and I was the project manager I was the customer first, working for a business I was with for a little over 20 years, and it was a family business, and I led that ERP integration, and then we didn't have the overhead for like multiple people or a lot of consultants, so I had to learn what the consultants were teaching us so I could teach everybody else. And so I followed them, and then I got really good at it, and private equity came in for the family business, and so I was like, and so I started my own consulting firm, and now I think it's actually better this way, because I mean, I go in, I try to help a business, we get everything set up, and then I get to move on to something else, but they get to live with it. I remember being the one that lived with it, had to do it daily, the same thing over and over again, and so I enjoy it because I get to see all kinds of different kinds of businesses and how they operate, and similarities, differences, and stuff like that. But I've worked with some really cool people. I've worked with some really not cool people. But it all evens out, I think, over time. Back up to this fair value gap. We're going to push through this time. You can see we've hit it 1, kind of right there, 2, 3, and this will be 4 times that they're trying to push through this. Just sort of in this range here. Anybody else in this trade with me? Or anybody else in the trade? Got in earlier? Hey George, yes, I am a profitable trader. This is a funded account that you're seeing right now. We've already made $1,500 on the day, looking to top it off to $2,000. Long 2, nice. Wrong trade, Jim. You got out early? Come on, man. Come on, push up. There we go. Come on. Look at that jump. That was nice. Power. I'm ready to go to sleep. At TP. Let's go. Think it'll go for a new high? Yeah, we could get a new high. I mean, we don't have any targets up there yet. And we're just, I don't know. There's not a lot of pressure. We've been sitting in this range for like 2 hours. When did we start this? 8 o'clock? 3 hours? 10 o'clock, sorry. It's late. My eyes are been staring at a computer all day. Oh, come on. Coming back down. Don't do this, MQ. Come on. Push it. I need the pressure. I need this thing to do some push-ups. Push up. So yeah, I mean, we might slowly grind higher overnight, but I don't see us popping up. I don't see us hitting the top of the Varus tonight. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. I mean, so Tokyo gave us a nice push down right here. We bounced up and we got in this range a little bit here, and now we're trying to push through this fair value gap, and it is just not wanting to pop up through there. Just doesn't, I don't know if it wants it. Do not know if we're gonna get it right now. It's gonna get it tonight. I just don't know if we're gonna get it right now. Got a little bit of selling pressure on the order flow. But you see, we have bounced off this gap 3 times here. Sellers keeping us down. Keeping us down. Right at that 29K. Just can't break through 29K. It doesn't seem like it. Just stopping by to see if you know your shit. Yep, I know my shit. Appreciate it. welcome. We got Detroit, not Rick. Welcome. Do you ever trail your stop, or you just let it trade play out, win or lose? It depends on the trade, honestly. So I had moved my stop loss up to break even earlier, but because we're in this trend, I wanted to give it a little more breathing room, and I'm glad I did, because it dipped down here, and I would have been stopped out of break even instead of up 200 and some change right now, waiting for this to blast through this fair value gap. So I moved my stop loss back down to VWAP. My stop losses are just whatever I'm comfortable losing that day. And I find key levels that I think that it just gives it enough breathing room so that it can pull back a little bit before it pops up. I'm generally in longs. I prefer that over the shorts, but if we have a downtrend day, then I'm definitely going to jump in the shorts. I did not catch this short here. I was waiting for it to come back up. Had some targets, and I jumped in right here at VWAP and got $1,000 trade all the way to Interbarris up here earlier tonight. So I was comfortable. If anything, I'm gonna lose 150 of that 1,000 and I'll be good. But we are trading a next gen 150K funded account right now. I'll show you P&L. We are up on the day 1,600. 1,000 of that was that trade that I just talked about a little bit ago, and we're looking to try to get consistency up to another $400. I've got a $2,000 consistency level on this funded account, so can't go past that. Thanks, Crispy. Appreciate it, man. Can I do a quick rundown on the VWAP trade? Yeah, we can do a quick rundown on the VWAP trade. Let's look at the, I think the 1 minute's going to show it a little bit easier. I was watching it, and we had this MOAS indication right here that we had not hit yet. We had pressure from Tokyo as soon as Tokyo came online. Oh wait, is that it? That's not it. Hold on a second, it's back here. Sorry, wrong section. Okay. Yeah, so Tokyo came online and dumped us, and we had pressure right here. And then I started getting these smooth trader indicators here. These are bullish indicators here: trap short, power long, trap short. So I was waiting, and then we got the MOAS signal here and had a target way up here. So I jumped in, and I was here, and I moved my take profit up to the top of the Varus here as we were just consistently going up here. Got another MOAS, which has confirmed my target of the Intervarus top right up here. And then it started getting a little weaker here, so you can see my red arrow. This is where I got out at about $1,008 right there was that trade. And then it just started falling back down, so just waited for it to get long. I had a target, which I think somebody on here got filled. I did not get filled. I had a buy limit on the VWAP here. It danced around here. For some reason, I did not get filled. I think it just wicked down too fast, didn't fill me. And so I jumped in a little late on this, later than I wanted to. I jumped in at 966. I really wanted to get filled down here. So I know some of you on the stream right now are filled from down here, so you're probably in a pretty good trade. And then this MOAS just confirmed our long, and so we've got targets up here to 29042. This has still not been filled at 30 either, so we're just hanging out, waiting for we keep bouncing off this fair value gap. That's that green box right here. waiting for these to get filled. If we get some pressure and start filling this, I think we're going to start hitting these targets and going a little bit higher. Dip in. It's just, no, this is the Asian market, so things move just a little bit slower than New York. So we got to take our time. This is our second stream, so welcome everybody that's joining us. I am the Night Trader on the Smooth Trader channel. Lou with the Smooth Trader, he streams New York session in the mornings, and we've been working on this stream for about a little over 2 months, and had our first stream last night, and it went great. We all took a little bit of money, had hit TP on these MOAS signals. MOAS is the mother of all signals, and pretty consistent. We hit the targets, and so it's a great indicator. You can get it $7 a month. The link and stream elements there, where you can pick this indicator up. Oh, got a Darren McKenzie. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for subscribing, man. I appreciate it. Got 137 people watching right now. Oh my gosh, it's a great night too. We are killing it. This is great, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit the like button while you're here. As you come in the door, hit that like button. The better we get this show, the more rewards we can give our viewers. So, sitting in this trade, trying to get to consistency on this next gen funded 150K account. If you guys want to get in on this next gen, we've got 80% off now with Night Trader, next gen funded trader funding. And we've got a great deal with, if you have not taken the 50% discount from my funded futures yet, you can use that 2 times, Night Trader 2 times for 50% off my funded futures until August 14th. They just sent out an email, extended it. It had ended August 1st, and they extended it. 50% off any account, any size, Rapid, Pro, whatever. Great prop firm if you guys are looking to pick up some prop firm accounts. Chris B, took your profit, headed to bed. All right, man. Glad you got another good trade. Yeah, Kyle's Varus is the shit for sure. Using it in conjunction with the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator, it's like a win-win. Can't beat it. Trades by Chad, welcome. I appreciate you subscribing. Raul Camarina, welcome. Yeah, make sure you guys join the Discord too. We do some other streams. Lou, the Smooth Trader, he's in the morning. He does the New York Open, so definitely check him out. If you guys are interested in this indicator, it starts at $7 a day. It's on discount right now. Definitely check it out. Links should be in the channel or the stream. This is just the second night we're doing this, so we're still working out the kinks of all the links and everything, but Night Trader definitely works. I also popped this into the chat. I can pop it in the chat again if you want. We've got the prop firm matrix. Use code Night Trader at Trade Day My Funded Futures Next Gen Aqua Futures IO, not .com. .com is the Forex. We're doing futures here, and Legends. Great firms to get a prop account through. I just trade prop accounts. I've got a cash account. We'll probably trade as we get a little more comfortable in this stream, but. Coming back down, trap long. I don't like it. It just keeps bouncing off this 29K level. Doesn't want to get through. Yes, it's coming down too. Pulling NQ down with it. But we've just been sitting in this range for ever. Just a lot of sideways action. Sometimes that happens on the Asian market. We just sort of get into a groove and can't break out of it. It's a lot less volume on the night market, so. Indicator is, this is the smooth trader indicator, STC indicator that we're using right now. Yes, there is a discount. We do have discounts. Stuck at work after a 10-hour shift and pre-New York City nap. Nice. Yes, we are trading Nasdaq. This is NQ.
Sweat again. Dreams of green numbers and losing my friend. The margin call loud and clear. Blew it all up, no fear. My account zero, a financial anti-hero. Paper trail, a ghost in the machine. Lost my capital, a digital scene. Start again from scratch and dust. Gotta rebuild, gotta trust. They say learn from mistakes. Minds are giant earthquakes. One wrong move, a click the trade. My whole damn world unmade. Another day,
Yeah, that's definitely barcode in here.
just gotta holla.
It's annoying.
Lost my capital, a digital scene. Start again from scratch and dust.
I mean, the inaugural trade, it took us 2 hours to get into it last night. We were stuck for 2 hours in sideways action, just like this. And then we finally got in a trade, and then it took an hour till we hit our target. So it takes patience. The Asian market definitely takes patience. Trap short, that's good. It's a bullish indicator right there where the trap short comes in.
Bought the dip on a Monday, hands on the screen too close. Red candles, green candles, I swear I can't let go.
I think that what's really holding us down is the oil just on a slow grind up. I think that's what's holding us down. Plus that 29K level, it just can't seem to break through 29,000. Time zone, I'm Central Time Zone. So it's 11:16 my time right now. Oh. I'm gonna have to jump off here in a little bit. Hopefully this trade can materialize. Got a day job I gotta get to in the morning, so can't stay all night. Wish I could. Maybe someday when this is a full-time job, then we can stay a little later, but I'm usually not running this late. Just staying on because I started a little late tonight. I had made a bunch of guys always get together Monday nights, and it's just been a thing we've been doing for 2 years or so. So I just couldn't miss it. So we started a little late tonight. And, this is the second trade for the night. For the new guys joining, we got a nice trade earlier after Tokyo dropped us down. Jumped in and rode this from VWAP all the way to Inter-Varus band, top right up here. Cool $1,000 trade on my 150K next gen account. All right, let's go. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we are coming at this level, not pushing through. Let's see if we can push through this time. Come on. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Old Monday night strip club. Day jobs, does that mean you don't know how to trade for real? No, I know how to trade for real. But you know the markets, man. It takes time. So I've been trading for 2 years, and it takes time. I mean, this is not an overnight. You don't just start day trading and get it overnight. You can get lucky overnight, but it takes time to really find your edge and get comfortable. Get comfortable with losing. Because there's not a trader out there that has 100% win rate. I don't care who you are. There's nobody out there that's 100% win rate. So it's taken me a while, but I found my edge. Started getting consistent profits. I broke even from my investment into trading, and all the money I spent this January, and it's been up from there. So we started this stream because Lou, the smooth trader, he does New York session, and I reached out to him a couple months ago. I said, hey, I think you're missing some viewers, and told him, I was like, hey, I'd be glad to be your night shift guy. And so for the last 2 months or so, we've been working on this stream, and we had our inaugural stream this Sunday, and had a cool $600 win on that trade on that night. So going for 2 for 2. There we go, 2 for 2. We're gonna see if we can win all week long, and be here hanging out with you guys, playing some good music. We'll make some new songs along the way, and then if we keep growing this channel, we'll be doing some giveaways, and it's about having fun and trying to make a little bit of money together. $30,000 tonight? I don't know, man. Maybe tomorrow. Nice. Welcome, Iron Pigeon. Somebody asked, am I long or short? I thought I was pretty clear. Target 408, and at 966, stop loss negative 152 right here. We are in a long. We're trying to fill this gap. Trying to push through. Not there yet. Yeah, I just didn't want to keep above the 29,000 level. It doesn't seem. What happened to our levels? Oh, that it went out of the way. No edge. I am not making any money from YouTube ads. I can guarantee that. $0 from YouTube ads. Yeah, trading is like painting art. Everybody does it a different way. Agreed. Yeah, somebody asked, I think I missed it. Can you share what's your edge? Yeah, my edge is the Smooth Trader Concepts, and I use the Rocket Scooter Varus bands here. It's a risk indicator, and I use some of their levels. This is one of a Rocket Scooter level right here. It's dynamic monthly dynamic monthly hedge pressure. Say that 3 times fast. Now we're pushing through. Come on. Let's get some strength. It's a good song for it. Hit my TP. Let's go. Hit my TP. Yes. This is my first day having over 100 viewers. I think we maxed out at like 40 on the first night, last night. So we're doing great. This is awesome. It's 138 of you watching, only 67 push the like button. Come on. We're in a winning trade right now. Come on. STC, really? You want to be down so bad? I'm not down with STC. I'm up with STC, man. Yeah, let's go. Are we breaking through? Go! He's the troll. You can tell I'm a good guy. It's all good, man. It's all good. It takes a lot to ruffle my feathers. I promise you that. Is this AI music? It is AI music. Yep, I wrote all this over the past 2 weeks or so, getting ready for the stream to get started. Just wanted to have some background music, so I'm just me just talking to you guys. You know, I like to jam, man. I've got my drum set over here. I've got my guitarist on the wall over here. So I'm a music guy. Put my streamer app to Mac? What do you mean by that? Put in your streamer app to Mac. What's my win rate? Last I checked, I was about 81% win rate. Melbourne, Australia. Wow. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hit that like button on your way in from Australia. Oh my gosh, we're international, guys. Where's everybody else from? Anybody else from Australia? Across the pond? Good day. I'm streaming right here live from Nashville, Tennessee tonight. But I travel for work, so I'm going to be streaming from a lot of different places. Break out the Fosters. Abu Dhabi. Wow. Idaho.
Streetlights hum a lonely tune.
2:30 Tuesday afternoon. Montana. Facil Crypto hit your TP. Awesome. Glad to hear it. Trying to fill up here to 408 for those that just joined. Trading 150K next gen funded account. This is my consistency target for the day. I'll show you my P&L. We're up to almost 1700, up 1700 on the day so far. Target is 2000 on the funded account. Might have to bring that down. Did I calculate that wrong? Yeah. Well, we'll put it right there at the top of this fair value gap. See if we can get that filled. Yep, this is the R&B song, Slim. Yeah, we wrote this song last night. Sydney, another Australian here. Nice, welcome.
Small green candle, small red lines. Reading all the tiny signs. My fingers twitch. My head it spins.
Struggling. Just going slow. We're out of this range. We're in the fair value gap right now. See if we can push all the way to my TP here and close out this trade. Cuba, welcome. Iron Pigeon, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. All right, this is not my song. Sometimes it just plays other songs. Thought about shorting the Russell 2000, but want to see what the next hour candle looks like. So jump in. Day 2, your prop firm. 120% consistency. A little high on your consistency, isn't it? What is the Russell doing right now? I don't really follow that. I think you're over. You gotta make sure you check with your prop firm. That's why I'm trading tonight. I mean, this channel is all about learning. We're learning together. I mean, you could be trading for 10 years. You're still learning, in my opinion. But prop firms put in consistencies on evals and fundeds. And the reason they do that is, I mean, they don't want you just to full port and win 10,000 in one trade. Also, they want to keep you trading, right? It's just like the casino. Casino serves you free drinks because they want to keep you gambling. What we're doing here is not gambling. We have edge. But the prop firms are putting in those limitations so that you have to trade more often. And the more you trade, the more chance it is that you're going to lose. And so that's what they're betting on. The prop firms are always against you. So our game is we have indicators, and some people use algos, some people use AI. Whatever you find your edge to be, that you can take a little bit of money out of market makers' hands, That's what my goal is. Am I only trading MNQ and Asia session? I only trade MNQ. I do not do NQ. I won't trade NQ. NQ is a good way to lose your money real fast, in my opinion. So my trading strategy is compounding. So I will win a little bit across many accounts. And so over the coming days and weeks, you'll see I'll be trading 4 and 5 accounts at the same time. So I do copy trading with Replicanto, with Ninja Trader. And so I'll be doing that as this channel grows, and as the trades come in and the opportunities come as the trades come in to me. I don't chase trades. I look for opportunities in the market and I take it. And right now we are trading a 150K funded account, trying to get it over to consistency and get another payout. Hey Pasha, the indicators here we have Smooth Trader indicator, which you can get for $7 a month. $7 maybe not a month. Maybe I think it's $7 a week. Yeah, 7-day trial, $7. Yeah. And then we have discounts with a link in the stream elements and the chat here. Notice the more contracts you use, the faster you pass. Using list contracts would over several days because I needed to take more trades since I started using 4 or 5 micros versus 2, 3. Yeah. Sometimes I do 4 to 5, sometimes 2 to 3. Just depends on the trade, depends on the indicator and what I want to risk at the time. I was just taking a little risk, and actually now that we're way up here, I'm gonna move this into a free trade. I want to level. Oh, we'll still leave a little bit of room there. Free trade. Pass rate has improved a lot. Nice. ES wants all-time high. Yeah, we got it earlier today. Shit. High of 76.47 at 10 o'clock tonight. All right, Rich. Have a good night, buddy. See you tomorrow. Get a little selling pressure here. Come on. I do hold it long. We've been holding this thing forever. Good night, SoCal. Appreciate it. Hope to see you around, man. We got 130 of you guys in here. Why don't we get some more likes? Come in here, push the button. Just move your mouse over just a little bit. Right down here. It's down here, below here. And while you're at it, subscribe. Join the channel. Stay a while. We'll be here every night at Globex Open doing the Asia session. I'm the night trader. Oh, look at that push down. Come on. Out of the whatever I got. Not good. Smooth Trader runs the New York session in the morning, so be sure to check him out. He's on vacation in Aruba right now with his wife, but he'll be back full time on Thursday.
I step in the cab with the grin on my face. Chalk on the left, trigger finger.
Hi, Sloan. See ya.
I wear that crown when the
Good luck with
candles
fires,
move.
man.
One eye on wrist, one eye on the groove. Argent on deck, but my nerves stay
Have
steady.
I heard
I cut
of
clean, then trees, I know
invariant
the
levels
feel.
firm?
No panic when the
No, I
rain
haven't.
goes
What's
by.
that?
I let that pressure sharpen my eye. Down the slope and move.
Welcome, AXP.
Watch that level prove. If it breaks, we ride. If it snaps, we slide. Night trader, night market. I ride that line. I want it. Night trader, night market. Oh, welcome, come and get it. We play smart, we play bold. Laugh loud while the story unfolds.
Let's see what the 5 minutes giving us anything.
Let's have fun and build our gold. I've seen the fake outs, I've seen the squeeze, seen dreams get wrecked on a sudden breeze. Still I stand with the brave ones, stand with a steady heart and no working plan.
A little bit of pullback.
For the test, I don't chase flames,
Still got
I
this.
wait for the best.
Still got a fill up here. And we still got targets on the 1 minute. The Smooth Trader indicator right up here to 29,041. It's been having some trouble over 29K. We've been bouncing at 29. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally broke through. Coming back down a little bit, hoping we get that push back up to fill this gap and close this trade. Anybody else still in this long? Thanks for subscribing, Q. Appreciate you joining. So crypto still in the long. All right. Glad I'm not the only one. Man, this is taking forever. Got a little fair value gap right underneath here, all the way down to 990. See if it wants to fill that before it pops back up. Might drop down here. Captain Crypto, what's up, man? Where's my guy? You looking for a Smooth Trader?
Smooth trader concepts draws a line so clear. When the crowd gets loud, I keep my eyes right here. I watch the pressure build, I watch the moment land. One look, then I know where the odds take a stand. The chart starts talking, I don't need to guess. When it lines up clean, that's when I do my best. Mother of all signals, big green waves rolling through the middle. I can feel it now. Smooth trader concepts lifting.
What's up, man? Yeah. Smooth Trader, he's on vacation with his wife in Aruba right now. Having a great time. Talked to him a little bit earlier tonight. He's still around. He runs the New York session in the morning, and we partnered up together, and I'm running the night shift now. And so I'll be on his channel every night, Sunday through Thursday. Of course, we don't trade Friday nights. And we started the stream. Yesterday was the inaugural night of the stream. And yeah, we've been working on this for a little over 2 months, getting everything set up and ready. And now we're here. And we had a great win last night on the inaugural show, and looking for win number 2. Well, we had win number 2 earlier tonight. For those who weren't here when I explained it earlier, we got really nice long off VWAP. Rode it all the way up to the top of this Varus right here for a cool $1,000 win. And so trying to top it off with this. We got a MOAS target of 29,042 up here. I'm just trying to get through this fair value gap right here. We're sitting at 1,600 on this 150K account right now. Trying to get it up to 2,000 if we can. Ooh, that was ugly. But we're in a free trade right now. I've moved my stop loss up to about $60 right there. Think we could pull down to 990 and bounce from there, hopefully. It's the Asia session, so things move a little slower, and trades take a little bit longer. Last night took us 2 hours to get into a trade. I don't know if you guys were trading last night, but it was sideways for quite a while after the pump up. Gapped up last night about 200 points, then just went sideways for 2 hours. Finally got the smooth trader signal, and we went long. And then we sat in that long for a good hour until it hit TP. So, we're in it again. Got in this. I was trying to get off the VWAP here. I had a limit buy right here, and I think it just wicked past and didn't get me in. I think it was right underneath the VWAP. VWAP's been moving a little bit as we've been going. So I waited for another signal. This appeared, and so I jumped in here at 966, hoping to get to the top of here. Then I checked my account to make sure I wasn't over consistency, and moved my target down so I don't go over consistency on my funded, because I want to get payouts, and I don't want to extend the time to get payouts. If you guys know anything about consistency, if not, we can talk about it a little bit more. We've been talking about it already a bit tonight. All right, Financial Map, good to see you. See you tomorrow.
Chat blew up fast, why'd you take that? Because I seen what the next trade pass. Paint every scar from a bad idea. Some loss is tuition that keeps you near. I don't need revenge, I need a clear head. Fresh notes, clean rules, better sleep instead. Let it burn out, let the street go. One door closed.
There we go. Look at that pump.
I drew it straight. Could have broke the plan, could have fed that hate. But the best trade is the one you miss if it keeps your hands from
What account am I funded in? This is a next gen 150K account. Net right now, we've got next gen. There you go, 80% off. You can get a 150K eval for $80 if you pass it. You could activate it with 50% off with Night Trader 50, but all of my activation codes are Night Trader to get your discounts. So we've got Trade Day, My Funded Futures, Next Gen, Aqua Futures, Legends. I can pop this in the chat again if you guys want to see this site and get some discounts. We've got the links to all these down here. You can jump to them.
one hard rule, then I let
Pop that in there for you. But you can just use this drop down and compare the costs and stuff like that. Next Gen right now is in first place on drawdown and profit ratios. One thing about Next Gen accounts is they don't what do you call it? The spread is so. If you're allowed, like on the 25K accounts, I think you can do 5 micros and 5 minis. There's no spread like other prop firms do. So for the 150K account, you can do 17 minis. We need to update this. It's 17 micros. That's not correct. It's 17 minis or 17 micros. That's how they do their stuff. But you can see it on their site as well. It'll be right. I'll have Smooth Trader needs to update that. But other prop firms are like this, where you get 5 minis, 50 micros. Next Gen is the only one that does it 1-to-1. So it's 17 minis or 17 micros. But pretty good deal, 80% off. I got this 150K account when they were doing free resets. Oh boy. Suno keeps doing this. It's like, update your browser. I was like, it's updated. Get the music going in a second. The code for activation, it's on the site here. It is Night Trader 50 for 50% off activation on Next Gen. So just Night Trader and then throw a 50 on the end of it. We've got it highlighted down here for you on this site. Let's get back to the chart. It's trying to get there. I'm gonna have to download these songs so I don't have to worry about this site, so this doesn't happen anymore. This is annoying. Invalid promo for the activation. It might be, they might have finished it. Let me ask them. Let me check for you real quick. You're trying to activate, right? Yeah, let me check.
They have the fancy autos running wild. They think they got us beat.
Yeah, it looks like that. Looks like the 50% off activation is not running right now. I'll take that off that site until. But Next Gen they're always running new deals, so just wait for it. It'll come back. They do it like every other week. They've been doing 50% off on the activation. So hang out just hold it. You can hold evals, past evals, for a limited amount of time. There's no cutoff time. There's no like you've got to activate it by this date. Anything. So I've banked, actually I have 4 accounts banked right now where I've got 125K, 250Ks, and a 150K. Only because I'm you can only have 3 fundeds at any given time with next gen, and I've already got 2 50Ks and one 150K with them. So, and then I just took payouts on the 2 50Ks on Friday so I did 3,000 in payouts on Friday. So now I'm working on this 150K, get this over the line and get a payout from here. Checking that 1730. We see here we got another MOAS signal, so it's our push. Is the volume level okay with the music playing for you guys? Is it too low, too high? Sounds good on my screen, but I don't know how it sounds through the stream. Hope you guys rock out with me. Volume perfect, awesome. What's a MOAS signal? I'm glad you asked. MOAS signal is the mother of all signals. That's what it stands for. It's an acronym. And it is a super powerful, bullish trigger telling us we're going higher. And so these triangles right here, they start off small like this, is trap short, and they get bigger and bigger, and some of them are really big. When it gets really big, you know we're on something. We're about to hit target. Let's go! Yeah! But they build these levels here. As you probably see, I don't know if you can see on my screen, you can probably see it better up here. We get some soft targets, which they're dotted lines here. But when we get a solid target like this, there's a really good chance we're going to hit it. And we've hit several tonight. We had 1, 2. So this one was hit about right here. This one we got 1 takeaway from. It was eventually hit when this target, this was my $1,000 trade right here, blew through this. Lot of buying pressure through here. You see how big that signal is. So you can see there's like small, and then big. It's like we're going higher. The TLs are trapped longs, so that's the indication that we're going down, or power shorts, PS power shorts. MOAS signals can also be shorts. So this was saying short, and this was about the time, wait, Tokyo was over here. So you can see Tokyo, lot of sell pressure putting down here, big MOAS to the level, the bottom level there. So, but I like to play the longs, and so I don't really you won't see me doing a lot of shorts unless we're in a downtrend. Then I'll jump on the shorts and take some scalps on the way down, but I'm always going to look for the bounce, and that's what I did here on this trade that we're in right now. So I was going off the VWAP down here. I did not get ticked in, and so I jumped in a little late here at 966-ish, and we've been riding it up, trying to fill this fair value gap right here, which we are almost full. But we've got these MOAS targets here, so we still have a target that hasn't been hit here of 29.030 and 29.042. And as you can see, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're 6 for 6 right now. We've got 2 open targets that have not been hit yet. So even if we don't hit these full targets right here, maybe we hit this fair value gap, start heading back down. I mean, 6 for 8. It's pretty good. Good time to stock up on Tesla before it takes off again. Oh man, I'm already stocked up. I got in Tesla at like 94, I think. I'm solid. It's gonna be a good time soon to stock up on SpaceX, but let's see what happens tomorrow. So SpaceX, let's get back in. Oh, we're on the 1 minute. That's why I trade normally on the 5 minutes. So let's get back to the 5 minute. They're pushing us down. Come on. We just didn't fill this completely. Come back up. SpaceX has their earnings tomorrow after market close. That might have been it. We're coming back down. Yes, it's pushing down, but definitely join us tomorrow night. We'll be open. We'll be starting at the Globex Open. We'll start a little before to talk about SpaceX earnings and where the market's headed. They might push us one way or another, so we'll definitely talk about it. I'll come on probably like 10 minutes before the Globex Open so we can sort of assess the day, get a plan for the Asia session, and take off from there. How do I set like you? I see the price for stop loss. Are you talking about the prices and the flags? Yeah. It's just a setting on Trading View. Right here, profit and loss. You can change the position brackets to money, ticks, or percent here. So just right click your thing and come to the trading and set your profit and loss value here to money instead, and it'll show up as dollar amounts right there. All right, we're wicking up. I think this is it. I don't know if I got a early morning, get ready for my second job, so I think I might call it here and just take my profits as it is. Oh, thanks for subscribing, Cyrus Tansey, James Schwab, and Fahid IQ. Hey, thanks for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Hit the like button on your way in. So, start with the outro here. Let it play out through the song, and then I'm gonna cut it out, guys. I'll be back here tomorrow night. Globex Open. Catch me about 10 minutes before Globex Open, and we'll discuss the day, SpaceX earnings, and see where we blow from there. Get some trades in, and see if we can make some money and listen to some good music, hang out, and have some fun. So. But appreciate everybody joining tonight. This is the second night of the stream. Started last night, and we'll be here every night, Sunday through Thursday. So come check us out. While you're here, check out Smooth Trader in the mornings. He's the creator of the Smooth Trader indicator that we're showing here on the screen. You can get the indicator in all its levels. So, still a winning trade. I'll take it. I'm gonna close it out, but I think we're gonna hit these levels up here. So if you want to stay on, this is a level. If I was staying on and I didn't have a job to start first thing in the morning, I'd stay on and watch this all the way through to this level here, at least. Again, thank you all for joining, and please come back tomorrow. All right. So, everybody have a good night. I'm gonna close this trade out 250. So we're 1660 on this 150K today. Not too shabby. See if we can get it a little higher tomorrow. All right. Have a good night, guys. See ya.